Choosing straws, okay.
All through other bar, their bar choosing choices. Choose.
Chores. The things you do, okay. No, but it's chore. Yeah, okay. Like this. Clean the room is chore. Daily chore. Yeah, this. Chore. Do you remember this?
Compete.
Computer. Okay, race.
Compete.
Yeah.
Verb.
Okay.
To try to get to or win something.
Compete.
Okay. Chore.
Chore.
Can I spell?
CHORE. Chore.
Yeah, chore. Okay.
A small job that is done
Regularly. Okay.
from chores.
Okay.
Chore.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's go to here. All through their barn.
Chores.
Is that Barney or different word? I think it should be Barney. I just want to double check it.
pronouncenames.com.
Bonnie.
Bunny.
Okay, that's Barney. One name, Barney. What about you? Anna.
Anna.
Okay, Barney, Anna. Okay, Barney, Anna, and Grace. Charter. What's that? Chore.
From chores.
Okay, daily chore.
Chatter.
Okay, what's up?
Verb. To talk in a quick or
Casual.
way.
Okay, charter.
Chatter.
Okay.
He was chattering away on the cell phone.
Good.
Chatter.
Can I spell it?
CHATTER. Chatter. Verb.
Okay, talking a quick way. Okay.
Talk.
Yeah, chat, talk. Okay. Okay. Also, the bunch was Bunny, Anna, and Grace chattered
about
tonight's
harvest
yeah
festival.
good.
Bunny couldn't wait to dance in the new dress.
Mama
Had
soon. Okay, at that time they don't buy it. Yes, the mama made this clothes. Okay. What's that?
chatter,
Good. What's that?
chat, talk.
Okay.
So,
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 Okay.
sewn,
Sewn.
sewn,
so,
sewn,
Okay, sewn. To make a cloth. Okay, sewn.
to make
Repair.
something.
Okay.
She sews her own dress by hand.
Hand.
sew,
Sew. Okay. This sewn.
sewn,
Sewn. Okay. No. Mama had.
Sewn her
Okay. And Harriet.
Harriet is sticking sick.
Good.
Mama said when they came inside, I need one of you to take her some soup. Bunny and her sisters found it
Front. Like this. Okay. Front. Okay.
found
Okay.
Hannah's.
Okay. You make your eyes like that. And
Harriet loved live
up no. You kike. You cannot tell this. What's this?
love live
Yeah.
love live
Okay. And Harriet.
lived miles away from another town, making the trip would seem mean missing the dance. Let's draw
Straws.
straws.
Okay. Okay. Straw. Okay. This straw. Okay. Let's draw straw. So, okay, you know what it means. Okay. Later we will figure out what it means. Let's draw.
Straws, Bonnie said. Whoever gets the shortest will go.
Okay. You get some straw. Okay. You cannot see how long it is. Hold on hand. So you pick one. Okay. And eventually see if you get the shortest one, you need to go.
Go.
Okay.
Mama cut 3 straws, all different thoughts.
Length.
Length.
Straw. Okay.
Length. When then pushed them between the fingers of her fist until they looked
Equal.
equal in size. Choose one. She told the girls. Oh no, Bonnie moaned as she drew the shortest.
Okay.
And Grace
Bag.
bagged.
Okay. Bag. Ask. Okay. Bagged.
Mama to let Bonnie say stay, but Bonnie knew her and not needed her. Maybe Aunt Harriet will take you home in the wagon, Grace said, so you can get home quicker.
Okay.
Bonnie thought of how kids kind Aunt Harriet had been to her family when Mama was sick. She'd even
Taught. The past tense of teach.
taught Bonnie to how to dance. No, I will walk home, Bonnie said, and Harriet needs to have rest, and maybe if I dance for her, she will feel better. There will always be other harvest, and if I am taller by next year's dance, I can just lower the
Trim. Okay. Sie will grow taller. Then they can change it. Trim. Of a skirt. No. Yeah, that is trim. Trim. Okay, lower. Okay. What's up?
so
So. So.
so
So. Sewn.
so
Sewn.
so she sews her own dress by hand.
Trim.
Trim,
Trim.
trim,
Trim.
trim,
Trim.
trim.
Okay. Okay. Materials that is used for decorating.
something.
Okay.
A skirt with lace.
Trim. Okay. Trim. The trim is there. This is trim. Okay, there's a trim. Okay. Can spell it.
Trim, trim.
Okay. And if I'm taller, by next year's dance, I can just lower the
trim of my dress so it still fits.
Okay.
Which of the following statements best describes the main theme or lesson of the story? Finally, family members can't always take care of each other. A good choice isn't always the easiest one. It is important to be grateful for
simple
things.
Okay. Okay, think of that one. A good choice isn't always the easy one. Okay. Try it. You try it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you want to take a break?
Yes.
Okay.